Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. I have one good news which I want to share with all of you because this good news is all about you only. I got my first payment from the YouTube. I'm working with this YouTube channel from last 2 years. In last 2 years I have uploaded around 135 plus videos based upon the Oracle DBA, Hadoop, cloud technology and the SQL part. And in the future you will see a lot of new videos based upon the latest technology also. For that I need a suggestion from all of you. I started this YouTube channel by considering the two objectives. The first objective was definitely that I was expecting to get some revenue from the YouTube channel, and the second objective was whatever the knowledge which I'm having that I want to share with all of you. I can see a lot of good response from the people who want to start their career into the IT industry, and there are many people, they are directly dropping mail to me, they are asking me for the suggestion, and whenever I'm getting the free time I'm try to responding to that mail. So if you think that I'm doing something good for all of you and you want to support me so that the videos will be more clear and you want me to put more things on it, definitely you can support me. If you want us to donate us, you can get the link into the description box. That will be really helpful for me to increase this channel and to share this the knowledge beyond the limit to everyone who want to start their career into the IT industry. Till now we have completed 2000 plus subscriber, and along with that I can see there are lakhs of views on the total videos. So definitely it is helping to the people, it is helping to the student who are freshly graduated, it is helping to the professional who are already into the corporate industry but they want to switch their career in the latest technology. So if you have any concern, if you have any queries, if you have any suggestion, please comment me into the description section. If you want me to send you some important updates related to the Oracle DBA, you can fill up the Google form. The link is already there into the description section. I will share the Oracle related documents, some important cheats. Also I will share if there is any vacancy, all those information I will share with all of you.